Here's I have total 4 different PDFs in my computer. Now I will merge all of them without Adobe Acrobat. All you have to need, go to your computer browser and open this website smallpdf.com. In this website, scroll down and select merge PDF. Click on choose files, or you can just drag and drop all of them here. And as you can see, my all 4 PDFs have been added or uploaded in this website. Now you can drag and rearrange your PDF pages just like this, and then click on finish. And it may take some moments to merge all of them. And once merged, click on download, and then go to your file explorer, and here is the merge PDF. Let's open it. And as you can see, I've successfully merged my 4 different PDFs into one PDF.